No. Stop it. Don't look at me. Don't fucking look at me. Ooh, don't you do it. No, dude.
Holy God. Are you okay? Oh my God.
क्या वीडियो बनाई है हमने भाई, क्या टाइमिंग थी भाई तेरी। लेकिन उनके साथ यार बहुत बुरा हुआ यार। सही यार भाई, पीछे कैसे करेंगे हम, तो जाम लग जाएगा ना तगड़ा वाला।
What are you doing? What the hell was that?
Не обошлось, конечно. Капот согнули, бампер сломали и мои банки помяли. Этого я и хотел. Всем удачи.
fast car. Is it fast enough so we can fly away? We gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or live and die this way.
Somewhere down there,
Everyone having a good time. Yeah, great. How fantastic.
Thay vào đó là một số biện pháp mới để đáp ứng tình hình. Theo ghi nhận, trong vòng 2 ngày cuối tuần qua, hơn 6.000 người dân đã quay về Cà Mau sau nhiều tháng bị mắc kẹt ở Sài Gòn, Bình Dương và Đồng Nai. Kết quả xét nghiệm nhanh cho thấy gần 30 người nhiễm dịch. Cần nói thêm là hàng chục tỉnh thành miền Nam đã quyết định nới lỏng phong tỏa kể từ ngày 1 tháng 10 nhằm phục hồi kinh tế và bình thường hóa xã hội. Tính đến hôm qua, Chủ nhật, ngày 3 tháng 10, Việt Nam đã ghi nhận gần 900.000 người nhiễm và 20.000 tử vong vì đại dịch cúm Vũ Hán.
Chỉ trong vòng 2 ngày, 77 máy bay Trung Cộng đã xâm phạm không phận Đài Loan nhằm gia tăng mức uy hiếp đối với đảo quốc này. Quân đội Đài Loan cho biết là vào hôm thứ Bảy ngày 2 tháng 10.
She was telling the truth.
Who hit my car?
You did that to the front of my fucking car.
Oh yeah.
What's funny? That's my new fucking car.
Usually when you rear end people, that's not how this works. It's okay. I'm gonna call the cops real quick. But yeah, you're saying that I hit you from behind.
No, you hit me in the front of it. Remember when I was at a red light? You went in front of me and hit my car.
Oh yeah. Okay. That's cool. Probably move the car from thing, and I'll call the cops for you.
And that's why you white people. That's why you white people get all this fucking privilege with this nice ass car. How do you know? Bitch. So that's my new fucking car.
Look this. You are here and she can shoot. You see?
Do you have where it went in or where she drove into it? Or?
You look. You were here and she can look. You see?
Oh, let's see what really happened.
Hit me from the front. Sideswiped me while I was at a red light.
The same lady that had the first video? Whoa, chill, bro. Okay, that's in reverse. We need to see it the other way. Okay, here we go. Chill, bro. You gotta watch out for that, dude. All right, this is him. Okay. Hold up. So you're telling me that he sideswiped you right there. We need to see this. All right, so that's when he sideswiped you by cutting over and missing this dude is what it is?
She don't look so crazy now, does she? Your stupid ass gonna put it on TikTok. Guess what? I hope your checkbook ready, because you're about to get sued. True, Nick.
Red Hill. There he goes, right through the red light. Oh! Officer's ready there for him. Yes. Oh, he's going around that car. The street, and as he comes into the intersection here, red light, he's going to go across lanes. There he goes, wrong side of the road. Traffic here is going to go blow right by those cars there and continue southbound from the tight situation there. We don't know if there's anybody else in the vehicle, but look at, there's the couple units that are getting involved in the shoulder to get around all this heavy traffic. He's got traffic for miles and miles, and he's got a car there. Oh, he just clipped. And then certainly can make its way. But he's going through some construction cones there. Wow, very dangerous. And I don't know if there's any Caltrans up ahead, but oh, he just hit that car. Ugh, terrible, terrible situation for that driver. Yeah, unsuspecting. Yeah, he's no. Ugh. Ugh. Oh no! He might be carjacking. He might be doing a carjacking here. He's getting out. He went into the back seat for something. His car is smoking, so no, he's going to take off. I thought for a moment there they might try to carjack. They're hot on his track. There's the officer coming into the screen. Yeah, so now he's going to come back out, and it looks like the officers are getting ready up ahead to pin this guy in. There's a pedestrian getting out of the way. It could be pinning. Hopefully it was just the woman there, but this is still westbound on Michelson. And oh, look at him, hard on the brakes there. He even kicked up some sparks. He's going right through the Jamboree. Yeah. It looks like he might be on a rim now. Oh no, he's going to hit that car. Oh man, he just sideswiped that car there on the right-hand side. That's a